Car manufacturers spend a fortune on design and testing vehicle safety features. Like these crash tests, often it's the dummy behind the wheel that's the cause of the crash. Now a radical idea: take the driver out of the equation.
Steer the car and brake the car by itself.
Yes, a car that brakes by itself even takes over the steering. On the outside, this BMW looks like a regular four-wheel drive. On the inside, it's anything but.
We have a camera system inside the car, and we can detect another car and brake the car or steer it away before we hit it.
Thomas Braunel has been developing the technology at the University of Western Australia.
We had students do the mechanical work on the car, we had students doing the software development for the detection process, and we're very happy with the results.
This is still very much a prototype. The computers need calibration with each new scenario, hence the inflatable car.
This is an experimental system. It's not sort of ready for the market, so we need some calibration before we're ready to go.
Once the systems are go, the results are amazing to watch, if not a little unsettling.
Gosh. It's amazing, it just misses it too, doesn't it?
The onboard camera is able to detect the car ahead. If it gets too close, it takes evasive action. It can either activate the brake or steering or both. So that's the camera there, is it?
That's the camera and the actual computer system that does the processing. And we have a cable that goes to a small embedded controller in the car, and that can brake the car or steer the car.
The obvious problem with a system like this is where the car steers to. You wouldn't want to sideswipe another vehicle, or worse.
We have the option of either just braking and stopping the car, or steering the car away from the other obstacle. That's of a debate, because sometimes it's better to take a slower rear-end collision than steering into oncoming traffic.
Thomas says what this technology may initially translate to is a warning alarm, and that could translate to saving lives.
In the first step, we're just looking at having an alarm system, so it would not interfere with the vehicle, just giving the driver a warning so the driver can react. But the second step would then be interfacing with the vehicle and actually actively braking the vehicle or steering the vehicle away.
Our Clever Country series continues tomorrow with one